Have you ever wondered why Sam Altman said that AI must evolve step by step with society, ensuring safety while delivering tremendous value? What does this mean for the future of AI and its impact on our lives? In today's video, we'll dive deep into Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, who recently spoke at the World Economic Forum's panel, Technology in a Turbulent World, and his vision for AI, exploring why he believes that scrutiny is essential and how a careful, step-by-step approach to AI development can help us harness its full potential while minimizing risks. Stay tuned as we unpack these ideas and what they mean for the future of technology. The importance of scrutiny in AI development. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. AI is powerful, and with great power comes great responsibility. Sam Altman didn't shy away from this truth when he welcomed the scrutiny that AI technology is receiving. He believes, and rightly so, that being held to a high standard is not just beneficial, but necessary for the safe evolution of AI. Altman's approach isn't just about creating advanced technology. It's about ensuring that this technology serves humanity in a meaningful way. But why is scrutiny so crucial? Let's look at the history of technological innovations. Nuclear energy, for instance. While it has provided immense benefits, its potential dangers were clear from the start, necessitating rigorous safety standards and oversight. AI, with its potential to change industries and society as a whole, demands a similar, if not greater, level of caution. In practical terms, this means that every step of AI development, from research to deployment, should be closely monitored. The public, policymakers, and tech developers must work together, much like a feedback loop, where concerns are addressed, adjustments are made, and the technology is refined. This process, while potentially slow, ensures that the risks are managed and the benefits are maximized. Learning from the past, the role of historical lessons. Altman highlights that we can draw on lessons from the past about how to make technology safe. Let's unpack that a bit. Historical technological advancements have always been met with a mix of excitement and caution. Think about the Industrial Revolution or the introduction of the Internet. Both had profound impacts on society, ushering in new eras of productivity, but also bringing challenges like job displacement and privacy concerns. The lesson here is clear. As we innovate, we must also be vigilant. The introduction of AI into everyday life must be done with an awareness of the potential risks. For example, consider the development of autonomous vehicles. While the technology promises safer roads and more efficient transport, it also raises questions about safety standards, liability in case of accidents, and the broader societal impact, such as job losses in driving professions. Altman suggests that these are not issues to shy away from, but to confront head-on. By learning from past technologies and the regulatory frameworks that shaped them, we can better navigate the complexities of AI. Co-evolution, society and technology hand in hand. One of the most intriguing aspects of Altman's viewpoint is the idea that society and technology must co-evolve. This isn't just about letting AI run its course, but about a collaborative development process where technology adapts to societal needs and values, and vice versa. So, what does co-evolution look like in practice? Consider the relationship between AI and healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize medical diagnostics, making it faster and more accurate. However, for this technology to be truly beneficial, it must be integrated into healthcare systems in a way that complements and enhances the work of medical professionals rather than replaces them. This requires ongoing dialogue between tech developers, healthcare providers, and patients to ensure that AI tools are used effectively and ethically. Another example is in education. AI-powered tools can personalize learning experiences for students, tailoring content to individual needs and learning styles. But this technology must be implemented in a way that supports educators, providing them with insights and resources to improve teaching rather than diminishing their role. Again, this is a case of technology evolving alongside societal institutions to create a mutually beneficial relationship. The step-by-step approach, tight feedback loops, and course correction. Altman advocates for a step-by-step approach to AI development, emphasizing the importance of tight feedback loops and course correction. This is critical because it allows for incremental progress while keeping risks in check. Let's take the example of natural language processing models like OpenAI's GPT series. These models have shown incredible potential in generating human-like text, but they also pose risks, such as the potential to generate harmful or misleading content. By adopting a step-by-step approach, OpenAI has been able to iterate on its models, incorporating feedback from users and the broader community to improve accuracy and reduce the likelihood of harmful outputs. This iterative process is akin to how software updates work. When a new version of an operating system is released, it often includes patches and improvements based on user feedback from previous versions. In the same way, AI models can be refined through continuous updates, informed by real-world usage and its impact on society. This approach also means that if something goes wrong, it can be addressed quickly before it escalates. For instance, if a new AI tool is found to have a bias, the feedback loop allows developers to correct this issue, learning from the mistake and making the system more robust in the future. Delivering value while ensuring safety. At the core of Altman's vision is the belief that AI can deliver tremendous value, but only if it meets stringent safety requirements. This dual focus on value and safety is what will ultimately determine the success of AI technologies. To illustrate this point, consider the deployment of AI in finance. AI systems are being used to analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and even automate trading. These tools offer immense value to investors by providing insights that were previously unimaginable. However, the same tools, if not properly regulated, could lead to catastrophic outcomes, such as market manipulation or systemic risks that could impact the global economy. This is where safety protocols come in. Financial regulators and AI developers must work together to create systems that not only maximize profits, but do so in a way that is transparent, fair, and secure. This balance is challenging, but essential. It's not just about what AI can do, it's about ensuring that what it does is beneficial and safe. The future of AI, moving forward with caution and optimism. As we look to the future, the big question is, how do we continue to innovate while keeping the potential dangers of AI in check? Altman's approach provides a roadmap. By embracing scrutiny, learning from history, co-evolving with technology, and adopting a step-by-step process with tight feedback loops, we can develop AI systems that are not only powerful, but also safe and aligned with societal values. This is a future where AI doesn't just exist for its own sake, but serves as a tool to enhance human capabilities, solve complex problems, and create a better world. It's a future where technology and society move forward together, each shaping the other in a way that ensures mutual benefit. Sam Altman envisions AI with cautious optimism, recognizing its risks, but believing that, with the right approach, AI can deliver immense value to society. His focus is on how we, as a society, choose to integrate and evolve with this technology responsibly. What are your thoughts on the responsible development of AI? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the next video.